Okay, hi everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so we're going to do a quick review first. Last meeting, we talked about different parts of speech. So we talked about adjectives and verbs. Who can tell me what adjectives are?
Teacher.
Yes.
Adjective describes a noun and a pronoun.
Okay, it describes a noun or a pronoun. How about a verb? What's a verb? It's an action word, exactly. So I'm going to give everybody 2 sheets of paper. Here you go. So we have A and V. Obviously, A stands for adjective, V stands for verb. Okay, so I'm going to say a word, and you have to raise your hand. Raise the paper if you think if it's an adjective or a verb. Example. So let's start. Sleep. Perfect. Love. Verb. Okay. Chad's a bit confused. Okay. And last one. Hurt. Hurt. Perfect. All right, everybody remembers what an adjective and a verb is. Okay, so we're going to talk about actually today something. We're going to listen to a very special song. But before we start with that, I have a question for everyone. Have you ever fallen in love?
Yes, teacher.
You did. Okay. How was your experience?
It's okay. I think in loving, it's since it's an emotion,
Yes.
it changes over time.
It changes.
Yeah, it changes over time.
All right, okay. Okay, well, going to the next question. Is it hard to let go of someone that you still love? Is it hard to let go of someone that you still love?
Of course.
Of course, yes, Ryan. Let's hear your thoughts about it.
Okay, because if you love someone, you get used to be with that person almost every day. So once that person leaves you, it will be very difficult to live your life every day.
Oh, exactly. It's like that person is already part of your routine or your life. Which leads us to the next question. Let's say, imagine yourselves seeing someone that you still love after 5 years. Okay? What would you say to him or her? Yes, Janella.
If I see someone that I still love after 5 years, I would probably feel uncomfortable because maybe I would see that he moved on with his life and I'm still there, stuck loving him, something like that. So I would really feel uncomfortable, like very nervous. I think it's like I'm watching a thriller movie.
Yes, exactly. I know the feeling. The feeling of seeing someone that you love and then it's very uncomfortable. So actually, one of my favorite singers or songwriters wrote a song about what she felt when she saw someone that she really loved once again. So we're going to listen to that song. Okay, but before we proceed to that, I have here a few words for our vocabulary. We have the first one, settle down. Okay, Chad, please read the definition.
Settle down, it means get married.
Okay, it means get married. So it's a phrasal verb. Okay, so if someone is settling down, it means that the person is getting married. How about the next one? Out of the blue, Sheila.
Without warning.
Or
Unexpected.
okay, so it means that it happened unexpectedly. For example, she phoned me out of the blue. Okay, how about the last one, Ryan?
Time flies. Used to observe that time seems to pass very quickly.
Okay, so time flies is an expression that means that time is moving too fast, right? Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to play the song called Someone Like You by Adele. And you're going to listen to it first, okay? And then later on, I'll be giving out worksheets, these papers, and then you have to write them. Do you like the song?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Are you familiar with it? Have you heard it before?
Yes.
Yeah. Adele is fairly popular nowadays. Okay, so I'm going to play it once more. So I'm going to give you these papers. So there are spaces between the other words. What I want you to do is write down the words as you hear them. Okay? Write down here.
That you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
Okay. Did you guys enjoy the song?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Who here feels the same as Adele? Yes. Okay. So you have a few people here. All right. So let's complete the lyrics. Let's start with the first stanza. That's the one on the left, farther left side. I heard that you're
Settled down.
settled down with a D. That you found and you're
Married.
married. Thank you, everyone. So before we proceed to that, I do have a few questions for everybody here. Do you think Adele really loved the person in the song?
Yes.
Yes. What made you say so? Which line here supports it? Which line in the song supports that Adele really loved the person? Yes.
I think the title says it so. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. So more likely Adele is looking for a person. When she's looking for another one to love, she still thinks of those characteristics or qualities of this person she dedicated the song to.
Okay. So basically, the whole song is for the person that she still loves after a long time of separation. Okay. Do you think she has regrets? Does she have regrets?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Why Brian? Why do you think so?
She's still hoping that the person she loved still remembers her up to now.
Okay, so she's still hoping. That's the key word there. Hoping that the person she loves will come back eventually. All right. So, what is Adele hoping for? What is she hoping for? Chad, what do you think? Any answer? What do you think she's hoping for?
Find someone.
Find someone like the person. Okay. So, what is your interpretation in this line? Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. She repeated this several times, right? So, what does this song or this line mean?
I think that line, just in reality it happens when it comes to loving someone. Because the beginning of the relationship, more likely, you're both in love. And a lot of couple maybe have their love, it's lasting. It's like forever. But there are also few couples who are not really that meant to be. That's why there will be times that it will last, but there will be times that both of the couple will just, end up hurt. So it's reality, you just have to accept that.
Alright, thank you very much for that very insightful answer, Janella. That's true, in love, we win, we lose, right? And
Yes.
sometimes we have happy ever after, sometimes we have tragic endings. So I wish everybody would have a happily ever after in life. Thank you. So that's what the song about. So basically, we're not just going to talk about love, but I have here or selected a few words that are all verbs. Okay, verbs, and I want you to try to answer here. What do you think are the past simple and the past participle of these words? Okay, so let's start with number one, bind. What's the past simple form of bind? Bound. Okay. Married.
Married.
Married. Okay, so these words, actually they have two here. Okay, these words
are all in the base form of the verb. So we have the past simple and the past participle. What is the past participle of verb? From our previous discussion.
The past participle of the verb,
Yes.
it's
Can be used as an adjective. Right?
Or an adjective.
Yes, it can be used as an adjective of the word. Okay, so thank you.